Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Fluctus Channel. Back in the Cold War days, the Soviet Union introduced the world to a new aircraft, the MiG-25. The Mikoyan Gurevich MiG-25 was a super-fast jet used for spying and intercepting other planes, and it was one of the quickest military jets around at that time. It was made mostly out of stainless steel and was the last plane designed by a guy named Mikhail Gurevich before he retired. This jet was tough and had a really good radar system, making it a big deal back then. When the MiG-25 showed off its speed, America knew it needed something mighty to match it. That's when McDonnell Douglas, now part of Boeing, stepped up. They gave us the F-15 Eagle, a fighter jet built to be the best in the business. It was like a competition to see who could make the coolest jet, and the F-15 was America's way of stepping up to the challenge. After getting the thumbs up from the Air Force in 1969, the F-15 took its first flight in 1972. Since officially joining the ranks in 1976, it's been a star performer, winning over 100 battles without a single loss, mostly thanks to the Israeli Air Force. With its sleek design and impressive specs, like a wingspan of around 43 feet and a max weight of 68,000 pounds, the F-15 is the stuff of legends. When the F-15 Eagle was introduced, it came in two variants, the single-seat F-15 and the two-seat TF-15, later named F-15A and F-15B. These jets were powered by sturdy Pratt & Whitney F100 engines, giving them impressive speed and maneuverability. They originally planned to arm them with a special 25mm cannon, but that didn't pan out, so they opted for the reliable M61 Vulcan gun instead. The F-15 could carry 4 Sparrow missiles and had a tough airframe that could take a beating. Its radar system was top-notch, able to spot targets even in busy environments. Plus, it had fancy new computer tech to help the pilot out, and a clear canopy for better vision. The F-15 was in high demand, particularly among countries like Israel and Japan. The capabilities of the F-15 in aerial combat are outstanding, especially in dogfighting scenarios. F-15E is equipped with a 20mm gun system for intense engagements in the sky. The main advantage of this weapon is its lightweight linear ammunition feed system, which not only enhances reliability, but also maximizes round capacity within the aircraft's allotted space envelope. With an impressive firing rate ranging from 4,000 to 6,000 shots per minute and an ammunition capacity of 500 rounds, the F-15 boasts formidable firepower in dogfights and beyond. As reviews and evaluations attest to its performance, the gun system stands as a testament to the F-15's power and capabilities in aerial combat situations. Apart from its versatility, let's delve into significant events that happened in 2007. A Missouri Air National Guard F-15 seaplane fell apart while flying and crashed on November 2, 2007. Following rigorous inspections and repairs, a portion of the older F-15 fleet was cleared for limited return flight status in early 2008. However, the incident raised serious questions about the long-term viability of the F-15, casting uncertainty on its future role in military operations. As a replacement for the F-15, another advanced aircraft came into the picture, the F-22 Raptor. Developed as part of the United States Air Force's Advanced Tactical Fighter, or ATF program, the F-22 Raptor represents a leap forward in military aviation technology. This American-made stealth fighter, built by Lockheed Martin in partnership with Boeing, boasts a single-seat, twin-engine design capable of supersonic speeds in all weather conditions. Initially conceived as an air superiority fighter, the F-22 also incorporates advanced capabilities for ground attack, electronic warfare, and signals intelligence. With its cutting-edge technology and versatile design, the F-22 Raptor continues to set the standard for aerial dominance in modern warfare. The year 2022 was special because it's been 50 years since the F-15 Strike Eagle first flew. Since 1972, this jet has been in the sky, showing off its power. But it's not just about the jet flying around. It's about the people who ensure it can fly. Over at Warner Robins Air Logistics Complex and a couple of other spots in Georgia, a team works tirelessly to fix the jet, test it out, and do all sorts of things to keep it in top shape. So when you think of the F-15 Strike Eagle and all its years of flying, remember there's a big team ensuring it stays up there. It is important to highlight the incredible journey of upgrades and improvements this aircraft has undergone. Starting in 1983, the F-15 multi-stage improvement program kicked off. Bringing with it a series of advanced enhancements. By 1985, we saw the first upgraded F-15C roll out, equipped with a better computer, new controls for weapons, and a beefed-up electronic warfare system. This upgrade meant the jet could carry the latest missiles and better protect itself from threats. The upgrades didn't stop there. Some F-15Cs have new radar systems installed, making them even more powerful. They also started using a new, faster engine that lasted longer and used less fuel. Then, in the late 90s and early 2000s, the F-15s got another boost with updated engines and cutting-edge radar technology. They even added a new system that helped pilots know the best time and way to launch missiles. All these improvements made sure the F-15 stayed at the top of its game, ready for whatever mission came its way. While Boeing takes the spotlight for manufacturing the F-15 Strike Eagle, it's not just their show. Over 500 companies have played a part in making this jet what it is. Some of these companies worked directly on the plane, while others helped in different ways. It's like a giant team effort, with everyone from big businesses to smaller ones adding their touch to the F-15, helping it become the flying legend it is today. As we look toward the future of the F-15, it's clear that its legacy is set to continue with the introduction of the new F-15X model. Amidst discussions and debates within the Pentagon, the decision to acquire Boeing's F-15X fighter jet marks a significant step. This decision, spearheaded by then Defense Secretary Jim Mattis, and supported by strategic evaluations from the Cost Assessment and Program Evaluation, or CAPE office, reflects a broader strategy. Despite initial resistance in favor of continuing purchases of Lockheed Martin's F-35, the F-15X emerged as a favored choice for its cost-effectiveness and operational capabilities. The F-15X is not just about maintaining the tradition of fourth-generation fighters. It's about balancing the fleet with aircraft that can carry large payloads and operate alongside the stealthy, data-centric F-35s through 2030. The decision to include the F-15X in the U.S. military's tactical air component was influenced by a comprehensive cost analysis, not just in terms of purchase price, but also in maintaining and sustaining the fleet. With the F-15X priced at $90 million per unit and the F-35A at a comparable cost, the move towards the F-15X highlights a strategic choice to ensure the military has a versatile and cost-effective mix of aircraft for defense and combat roles. This strategic pivot towards the F-15X, free from any influence by Acting Defense Secretary Patrick Shanahan, due to a strict ethics agreement, underscores a commitment to a diversified Air Force fleet. It's a rare glimpse into the Pentagon's decision-making, emphasizing the need for a balanced approach to future air superiority that includes both fourth- and fifth-generation fighters. As we wrap up our journey through the history and evolution of the F-15 Strike Eagle, it's clear that this aircraft isn't just a piece of military hardware. It's a symbol of innovation, collaboration, and strategic foresight. From its inception as America's response to the Soviet Union's MiG-25, to its remarkable record of over 100 victories without a loss, the F-15 has proven to be an unmatched force in the skies. That's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of our new content. See you next time.